Hi, I'm Rare Crypto, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Let's go. First off, Happy New Year, and let's jump into the charts. So first things first, we're looking at the monthly chart of Bitcoin and USD, and what can we see here? We can see that in the month of December, the candle is red, meaning that it was a bearish month, and the sellers outweighed the buyers. All right. However, in the month of January, we can see that, hey, we have buyers coming into the market, and right now, the current price is at $17,089. Okay, and on this chart we have our resistance line at 17K and we have our support line at $13,895. And why do you have these lines there? Usually when I draw a support and resistance line, I look for 3 touches. So we look at 17K, we have 3 touches when we look left at the previous monthly candles. Okay, and you may say, why do you do that? When you change the time frame, those support lines should still be intact. So we go to 2 week, you can see that, okay, that resistance is still respected. If we look left, it's still respected. If we go down to the weekly, it's still respected. So it just makes your chart look a lot cleaner coming from the monthly chart. Okay, now it's time for the MACD. Okay, so looking at the MACD on the monthly chart, we can see that we have the orange over the blue, indicating that, hey, the trend is still downwards. Even though the MACD is a lagging indicator, this just lets you know how powerful it is when you look at the trend at a longer time frame. All right, let's go down to the weekly. On the weekly chart, we can see that the blue is over the orange, indicating that, hey, prices should be trending upwards, just looking at this particular indicator. All right, so now it's time for the indicators. Okay, so what we're looking at here is we have the weekly chart, we have the stochastic RSI, the RSI, the MFI, and the Bollinger Bands. All right, so looking at this, we can see that on the stochastic RSI, we have the blue over the orange, indicating that, hey, prices should go upwards. And on our MACD, we saw the blue was over the orange as well. From the RSI, we are still in that oversold territory. And from the MFI, we are in that oversold territory as well. So looking at this, looking at these indicators, what is my opinion for this week? Okay, so looking at this, I can see the stochastic RSI is above that 20, indicating that, hey, prices should still go upwards. Okay. However, when I look at this wick, I can see that, hey, there is a strong sell pressure around that 17K region. So I see prices coming up to this area, but this area will be a heavy sell-off. So we'll have to see what the market's doing. All right. If we look at the 2-week chart, there's a cross or a fake out on the stochastic RSI. Meaning that, hey, if we do have a cross, I anticipate price to drop again. We may see another touch here at this 15K area. However, with it being January, it could be a bullish month. Okay, so that's what I'm looking out for. 2 scenarios, I repeat again. Price could come up and touch the 17 to 18K range, judging on this particular wick. And once we come up to that range, I do anticipate a sell-off. That's just what I'm looking for, not financial advice, but that's what Rare Crypto is looking for. All right. So other than that, thanks for tuning in. I'm Rare Crypto. Let's go.